What's going on, guys? It is Tony from DYE Paintball. Today we are running an efficiency test on the brand new DYE MXR, baby.
Man, why? Because it's the best source for efficiency tests, paintball markers, mixers, and everything else.
That's us here right at Dwell-insensitive.com. All right, so we're turning the sucker on. We got it chronoed right around 285 to 290. The operating pressure sensor reads right around 125. So I got 15 pods fully filled up here. We're gonna see if we can't make it through them all. I got a 68 4500 full fill on the tank, and we're gonna shoot until it won't shoot anymore. So let's do it.
You on ramping?
I am.
All right.
Pod number 1 going on in.
What's your prediction?
I don't know. I honestly don't know. Brand new gun. I'm saying at least 10 pods. I'll give it at least 10.
That should be safe.
All right, let's go. This is pod number 1 in the hopper. Let's go. We're shooting over.
Yep.
Beeping at me, so we're going for pod number 2. Can definitely tell we're getting a little low. So let's go for pod number 3. All right, we're going pod 4.
How do you like that trigger now that you've shot it a few rounds?
It's nice, a lot of rounds here, about 500 through. This is the deuce style trigger. It does come with 2 different styles, so either a single rake or the deuce style. I like the deuce style. I grew up, you know, walking the trigger back when ramping wasn't such a big thing, so that's my style. Anyways, let's go. That was pod number 4. Let's go pod number 5. Pod number 6 incoming.
Where are we at on there? Halfway?
We are currently looking at around 3,000 still.
Wow.
Hanging in there, baby. Hanging in there. So this is 6. This is pod, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pod 6 is in. Oh, dropped 1 paintball, -1. And surprisingly, I know they've had a lot of engineering and this has been in the works for years now, but that new aluminum tack breach detent in there, it's just an O-ring. This thing has had these paintballs nice and centered in the barrel. Thing's shooting like an absolute dream. So that new aluminum breech insert, good job, DYE, good job. That was 6, we still got some left. Let's go pod number 7. All right, I'm gonna hit the center of that Ultra Silk sign. I don't even know if you can see it, Mark.
Yeah, of course I can.
All right. Oh, we're getting bound about 15 paintballs in there. So let's go, we're going pod, that would be 8. Pod number 8 going in the gun. Once again, 68 4500 tank. We had a full 4500 fill on that bad boy. So this is pod 8. And we're gonna check it after this one, we'll see. You want to talk about some good shooting GI 5-star. This is good stuff. All right, so pod 8 is done, and we are looking at still around 2,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
She's hanging in there.
Can we get to the 12th?
I can tell the back of the grip is a little cold, and this barrel is a little icy.
Frosty.
All right, we are gonna go, we got about 20 left. We're gonna go pod number 9.
Here, cover them bowling pins.
Cover the bowling pins?
Sure, why not?
All right, pod 9. She's spinning, she says, feed me. We got pod number 10 going in. All right. I said at least 10 pods. I think I'm definitely going to be right on that. And we're going. All right, pod 11. Did we bring enough pods? I thought 15 pods would be plenty.
Whew.
I'm thinking we did, but we're still rocking. Pod 11. Pod number 11. Sheesh. Good Lord. Let's go pod 12.
Yo, fingy's getting tired.
Pod number 12 in there. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've shot 12 pods just back to back to back to back. Pod 12. Holy guacamole, man.
Wait.
Or was that 13?
No, that was 12. We're going to put 13 in, I think.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was 13.
Oh.
I had 15 on the table to start.
Oh. Well, you know what that means.
We're got to be close to, okay, we're like 500 PSI left.
Yeah, but this means this is, I think, the new most efficient paintball gun we've ever
Yeah,
fired.
this is pod number 4. If you guys saw this entire video, I had 15 pods on this table. It's easy to lose track when you shoot that many pods. All right, pod 14. We're down to about 500 PSI on the tank, so I don't think we're going to see much more out of it than that, but already impressive. Yep. I can see the drop off, but it's still going strong, Mark. Uh-oh. There's some drop off.
Can you finish it before it breaks the ball?
What, pod 14?
Yeah.
There's not any paint left in that bad boy.
I think that's safe. I mean, I don't know if you want to risk it and risk breaking
let's
paint.
just look. That was pod 14. It is on 0. So I feel like if I dumped 15 in there,
I'm not cleaning it.
we're gonna see. Pod 15.
Wow.
We're going 15.
Wow. You sure you don't got a secret remote line connected to your waist or something?
That's it. We're stopping at 15. Huge drop off now, but good Lord, this thing shot through 14 pods, 68 4500 tank. It's the DYE MXR. Get them here right now. It's lomopaintballbaby.com.
Most efficient marker to date.
Most efficient
pods
marker
out of one fill.
That's crazy.
Dethroned the mini GS.
Woo,
Sorry,
baby.
Empire. Wah, wah.